I was talking with the guys, and we were saying maybe it'd be nice to set up a 2 meter repeater to experiment with, try out, see what we thought of it. And happened to be as on eBay looking around and found a good deal on a duplexer. I guess it had been in some kind of service and then sat in a fellow's garage for a little while, and um, then it made its way to me. So it was pretty gunky, not bad, but you could tell it'd been sitting around a while. Had a lot of dust and grunge and sticky stuff on it. So I wanted to take it apart, clean it up, and just look it all over, see how it worked, see what brand it might be. I think it's a Sinclair Q201, but there's no label on it or anything. I'm just going from the design of it and stuff. So yeah, just wanted to get it cleaned up, and so it wouldn't be getting gunk on my hands working on it. It was also the cable harness on it was all the jackets were cracked and coming apart, and there was some corrosion. So we'll look at that in another video. But this one's just getting it cleaned up, spruced up, so it's nice to work on, and just checking it over. So we'll take a look at it together. You can see the center conductor in the cavity sort of extend and retract as you move the rod. A lot of the parts are silver plated on these cavities, and the silver had corroded very badly. Um, so I used a 3-step process: soak it in silver cleaner for a little bit, swirl it around, then rinse that off in distilled water because you don't want to leave that on there. It's pretty aggressive. And then get the water off with some ethanol and compressed air. Um, Make sure everything's dry afterwards. This doesn't take all of the corrosion off, but it does loosen it up to where you can wipe it off with like a paper towel or something. So I think if you were doing the good silver for Thanksgiving dinner, you'd want to do a little better job than I did. But this managed what I was going for, which is to just not have my hands turn black from handling it. The rotation of this coupling loop in each cavity does matter, but it's setting it as part of the tuning process, so we'll probably cover that in a subsequent video. I spent some time figuring out how to arrange the cavities and get the cables all hooked up between them. We'll look at the cables in a subsequent video, and also at the tuning and maybe some other repeater stuff. So hopefully you hang around till then, and take care.